Okay, go ahead. Okay, so this is how to remove the cover from the DPH 28712 or any one that has multiple hinges. It could be a two-man operation, but in this case the box is pretty large, so it can be done by one person, but the other person can put their hand on this edge to keep the box down. To remove the cover, you open the lid at 90 degrees, hold the lid and hit it with moderate force straight down. And you keep doing this as you go and the lid comes off. To assemble the cover back, you flip the box upside down and move the lid, the hinge area outside of the table boundaries. You hold the cover at roughly about a 30-degree angle so it rides on the pins. Can you zoom in here? So as you can see, it just sits touching those pins, not going in yet. At this point, you can use your thumb and a finger against the box and just press down until you hear a slight click. And you can keep doing this across the entire thing. Try to keep the cover at an angle. Okay, once you've done this, you can repeat and you can straighten the cover down a little further. It will be jammed against those hinges, but you can just hear it click into place. At this point, you let the cover loose, hang down about 90 degrees, and you give it a final push. Okay, once the cover is mounted, you can flip the box. The cover will be installed.